Hey there, Seahorse here. Today I'm going to show you what we are doing to mend our fence which blew down during a strong storm this past spring. The fence, which was pretty old at the time, had many wooden posts that were rotten out and various sections that had been propped up for quite some time. We knew it was bound to happen sooner or later, and sooner ended up being this year. Though we knew the fence falling down was an imminent possibility, we had no plan in place for a repair or a complete rebuild. However, once it fell down, we were left with no choice but to find a landscaper that could rebuild the whole length of fence with a design that was both desirable to us as well as for the adjacent neighbors. As it turns out, we knew just the landscaping company. They had done work here before and had done a beautiful job in the past. So we called the owner, Jamie, and he came up with a solid plan. Soon he and his crew were on site, getting the job done. As I mentioned before, previously we had wooden posts in the ground which had rotted out and caused the whole fence to be unstable, eventually leading to a complete structural failure. So this time, to avoid that pitfall, we opted for metal posts secured in a concrete base buried in the ground, as well as a cedar fence which is notorious for lasting a long time in the elements. Additionally, the fence will sit off the ground just enough to prevent rot from setting in over time. Though it's not finished yet, it's looking amazing, and I'm too excited about how it is turning out to wait to share it with you. I will definitely do a follow-up video, Mending Fences Part 2, to show you the final result. But for now, let's check out the progress. As always, there will be a funny little song to accompany the rest of the video.
Well, that spring when the wind it blew my rickety old fence right down. That's when I finally knew a landscaper had to be found.
It didn't make any sense that it was so very hard
When we lost our tall fence to keep my kids inside our yard. What are we gonna do? Who are we gonna call? Will they have a full crew to install our new fence wall?
As it turns out, we knew just the one who's done some work here before.
He does a great job, he and his crew, gives a fair price, and so therefore
We gave him a call about the fence. He came up with a solid plan.
trucks rolled up and work commenced of his work. We are great fans.
What are we gonna do?
Who are we gonna call? Will they have a full crew to install our new fence wall? Now the fence is nearly done.
Here is the progress so far.
Gaps or holes there are none. These landscapers set the bar.
What are we gonna do?
Who are we gonna call? Will they have a full crew to install our new fence wall?
What are we gonna do?
Who are we gonna call? Will they have a full crew to install our new fence wall?
If you enjoyed watching this video about mending fences, a like and subscribe will go a long way to helping out a small channel like mine. Thanks for watching.